Flush down the heat, go DP and me, bro. About to hit the club and turn the show to a freak show. Look through the peephole, everybody geeks, yo. Need to get yellow with an extremely new.
Alright, transmission's done. As you guys seen from previous video, got Nathan here.
What's up? It's going.
Fresh beard.
Oh yeah.
Tim's.
Haircut.
Ooh, shit. Tim's. We're gonna get this trans slapped on this engine, pull the car in. I got my mount kit in underneath all this here. Got my swap header here, fucking Bud Light limes. Yeah, fucking girl. And yeah, you gonna mate that up to that? You want me to do it?
I'll fucking try.
Slide the dowel up. Lift with your back, not your legs. Oh!
Get the bolts!
Would you look at that? Alright, so I got a Honda drawn on my wall here. I will give you exhaust.
Oh.
Alright, let's get this bitch together so we get the Civic bolted. So we're trying to get the side mount off for the old trans mount. Because we need to put this on. And that's in the way, so we're just we drilled out the spot welds and I'm gonna get up! Alright guys, we got the mounts on the engine. Boom, check this out. Done. Possibly done, don't know. Might have to weld that in. But we're gonna drop this fucking in, so. Part 3, EG, we were time to clean up the bay. Truth is, got a call for work, got back to work as my parts were in order to me. No time being spared here, we're just firing at the fucking, going on the road fucking doing rippers. Yeah, we gotta spin the engine around, but yeah.
Had it rough already.
It got the swivel on it, I got the, boom baby. Just me and Nathan. No one else came out to help us. Thanks, boys! But we're probably not going to record this. We're probably going to, because I'm going to have to be fucking with the mounts. You're going to have to be out working the jack. So we'll just show you when this is in the car.
Oh, fuck with the mounts. I'd rather you be messing with this.
Alright, yeah, well, whatever.
Roll right down, crack you open.
Crack your mom's ass. Just like that, boys. We got the engine in. Black Bay worked pretty good because the black mounts. What do you think, Nathan? Oh, I get the fucking omens! Oh. He's like a fucking fountain. Look at that go. Long boy, extension on ya.
That's stupid.
What are we doing right now? Fit him with the deets.
I couldn't fucking tell ya. Trying to figure out this harness.
So we got the jumper harness.
So.
This is what we're messing with right now, the jumper harness. I have done it on the EK, but do I remember? No. So we're going to get this harness fed into here. We're taking the fuse panel box out, just so we get some access, and then we're going to get the harness ran, the jumper harness ran, and then maybe start getting the harness all on the engine. So yeah, guys, let's start fucking with this rat nest of wires here.
At this point, you take your C, I don't know what the number is, but it's the
Look at his fucking hat. Fucking blew her right off, smacked her off the A-pillar. Tyler working on the shifter. I got this greasy shifter box. See this here? I bought that on Amazon for $300. Comes with everything and shifter cables. $300! I was gonna buy a used fucking Type S fucking shifter cables, and it's fucking cheaper to do that. Still figuring out the harness, but we got the other harness fed into the dash. You don't want to see that because we got that all cut to shit.
You can't really see.
Boys are fucking slaving away. Got fucking Tim's Racing in there, wiring up the ECU. Shift linkage in. Well, no.
Shift linkage, shifter box.
There, I show them to go. Show them to go.
Holy fuck. You torqued up.
Looks fucking sick.
Amazon shifter box.
Looks fucking sick.
It does look pretty cool. Don't know how it's going to perform though.
Oh, it'll perform. It'll perform.
I'd say it'll snap it, banging gears. Snap that cheap billet aluminum. Banging gears.
banging your girlfriend.
Got him.
How do I have this fucking... So we got the jumper harness all done. Nathan fucking killed that. He did it pretty much by himself. Shifter's installed. We don't got the cables ran or nothing yet, but in the car's a little bit wrapped up. Now we're just fucking with the harness. Got the car jacked up now, just so I can get under there, put axles in it and shit. Got the bracket on the trans. Just coming along. Nate fucking killed her on the harness.
Yeah.
New day, and yeah. It's snowing out. Oh, the joys of Canada. So, we're going to go in the garage today. So let me get out of the snow. Here she is. Alright guys, new day. What's on the agenda for today? So it's just me here right now. Nathan is on his way here, but for now it's just me. So I'm going to start fucking with the shifter cables. I'm going to get under the car. And I'm probably going to poke a hole like under the subframe, kind of like middle of the car there. I'm going to get a hole poked in there for the shifter cables. Feed them through and then hopefully get this bitch shifted. Let's go. So we got the cables on. I went under the car with a hole saw. Pucked the hole through. We got the cables, so we had to take the sway bar link off to feed the cables down behind the subframe. But what do you think of the Amazon shifter system?
For the price, it's good, but I think they might be a little bit too long. The adjustment, you go all the way one way, you run out of adjustment, but it works.
The first is like barely over in the shifter, and the fifth in reverse is way over. We were fucking with the adjustment forever. I don't know. We're probably going to keep it here and just call it a day for now and keep moving on. But yeah, shifter cables are on, boys, and it shifts, so... Yeah, let's jump into something else by fire this axle in over here. And get it. Look at that unit. K20 race header, 4-1. Nathan's fucking with the starter cable. Tell them what you're doing here. Give them an example what's going on.
I don't fucking know, but the other car had this big ugly stupid fucking cable, and you gotta get power down to the starter. But this charge harness has a cable for the starter. It doesn't make sense that you'd put both of them on it. So anyway, I'm just trying to jimmy rig something up, so we send the power down to the starter on this, and then tee it over to the fuse panel. Just less big ugly wires in the engine bay.
Less two wires going to the starter, just one.
Yeah.
So we're powering the starter off one. Before the setup was two, and then we're just going to tee it off there to the power to the battery. So like it's going to have full power to the starter. It's just going to tee into the fuse box there.
Well, that's how a normal charge harness is. I don't know why. I think anyway. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it might work, might not work.
Might melt the wire down. Too much current.
Fucking blow the head gasket right out of her. That K20 header looks sick though.
Yeah, it looks unreal.
That's spicy. Got this axle in. Oh, this thing is just...
I just threw that down. I need that.
This thing is just... It's getting there, boys. It's really getting there. This is part 3, and like... This bitch is fucking getting close firing up, let me tell you.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Civic's getting there. We need fuel lines, throttle cable, clutch line, and other than that, this thing's fucking ready to fire up. So... Part 3, wrapping it up. Don't know how long this video is. We got a lot done and we weren't fucking around. Me and Nathan were just fucking flat out. So, but huge shout out to Technotic for all the parts. Hooking me up per usual. And I'll see you in part 4. And this thing's going to be out fucking doing rippers.
Oh, dude.